Rhino Tool, and today I'd like to go over our pneumatic drivers and what to do when you first purchase your first new one, or if you're a veteran at this and you get a new driver. Today I got a PD 55 sitting here on my workbench. This is the smallest pneumatic driver we make at the moment. We make larger ones, a PD 110, a 140, and then our top dog is the PD 200 post driver. Each driver will come with an owner's manual. Now I know us guys don't like to read these things, but at least keep it around for reference. But I do recommend to read through this. It tells you everything that you need to know. That way you don't get hurt. How to properly operate the driver and whatnot. And also towards the back it'll have a parts diagram and everything like that. So look through this. Each driver, pneumatic driver, will need a throttle valve. This is your air on off, basically, to keep it pounding or to shut the air off. Comes with about 6 foot of hose. You can put more on it if you like. This end will be coming from your air compressor. This end will be hooking up to your driver underneath. Now if you look at this arrow on there, that tells you direction of airflow. If you hook this up backwards, you'll blow the seat out, and it won't matter if you've got this on or off. It's going to blow air all the time. Each one of these is 100% air tested in-house right here in Illinois, along with all of our drivers, so we know that they work properly. You're going to need an FRL. We recommend an FRL, which is your filter, regulator, lubricator. Your filter is what's going to catch any contamination coming through your airline and take out any moisture, water, whatnot. Of course, your regulator, you can set your air pressure where you need, and your adjustment knobs here on the bottom. Once you get it set, you can knock the bottom up, the knob, and it'll lock it in place. Lastly, going out to your driver is going to be your lubricator. Up on top is where you put your oil in at to fill your glass bowl here. Then you got the glass sight right here where you can see the oil drips, and on top is your oil adjustment, so that way you can get your drips that you need per minute. So read through the owner's manual of your driver, and it'll tell you how many drips per minute that driver requires for lubrication, because they do require lubrication constantly. Without lubrication, they will lock up. You can buy the FRL 2 different ways. Buy it just like this, or with a carry cage. I recommend a carry cage or a carrier, because it's basically a cage, protects it. Might want to add, your FRL will come with the owner's manual also. Read through this and keep it around for reference for parts. But with the carrier, everything is going to be mounted inside here. It's going to protect it. It's going to be easy for storage, whatnot. It's going to be easy to drain the water out of your water separator, everything like that. Now for your lubricators, we get this oil, don't mind the brand, but we get this from our local O'Reilly's. You can be able to pick up any non-detergent straight weight oil from any automotive farm supply store. Now for cold weather, we recommend a 5-weight oil, non-detergent, straight weight, below 40 degrees. Mild weather from 40 to 80 degrees, we recommend a straight 10-weight non-detergent oil. And then for anything over 80 degrees, we recommend a 20-weight non-detergent oil. So once you get everything hooked up, air compressor going, airline's hooked up, oil in your lubricator, before you hook this up to your driver, set your oiler where you need to be, blow air through here. It helps if you blow it against cardboard where you can actually see the oil film coming out of the end of your hose here before you hook this up to your driver. Pay attention to that. Please do that. Without any oil, that driver will lock up. So we recommend you blow oil through your air lines first before hooking up to the driver. If you got any other questions, feel free to reach out to me at Rhino Tool or shoot me an email, service@rhinotool.com. Thank you.